Her big tree, there you stood, the view from my kitchen window, standing tall the other side of the paddock as I checked on my horse. Fresh gum leaves sprouting out the top of your hollow, historic trunk, relic and tourist hotspot of Springton. Hollow in the centre, but not empty, filled with memories of the Herbig family, German settlers who sheltered inside of you until 1860, protecting the children in Mother Nature's womb. Just a shell at first glance, but the heart of a home. You stood there when my family were intact. You stood there as my family fell apart. Grandma's, dad, sister, then dog, gone. And there you still stand, roots intact, 500 years on. Your memory returning me to my own roots. You are my secret place in a ghost town. The curious child's touch of wrinkly bark, an 11-year-old connecting to family now gone, their spirits still climbing into your red gum grooved cribs, cradled in a ready-made treehouse, filled with laughter and warmth and togetherness. The heart of a tree, the heart of a home. Bark might peel off and fall to the ground, but inside are the unflaky, unshakable memories, the heart of home. You are a family tree in more ways than one. Thank you, her big tree. You taught me the strength of a solid foundation, that you'd have my back when no one is around. I look for you in every forest, my shelter in a storm. Thank you, her big tree. You taught me to find strength from my family tree. You taught me Mother Nature is always striving to have our back, whispering, singing, or shouting from the treetops if we just listen, if we just reach out to you. Now it's time to love you back.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover songs, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me, two by land, by air, by sea. And that is how it's supposed to be now, and that much I can say now.